So hey guys, you guys welcome live on CoinMarketCap. Currently looking at Afen blockchain price. This is the price, or the token symbol is AFEN. Okay, so this airdrop is currently live on CoinMarketCap. So I'm going to show you all you need to know as regards this airdrop. So it's going to start by September 13th to 2017. So the participating in the Afen marketplace $11,000 event, that's the total amount, and 10 NFT airdrop. So they'll be giving out 1000 Afen tokens to participants as well as 10 NFT airdrops. So the total airdrop amount is about 1 million Afen token airdrop. So it says it's going to end by September 18th, starting one day. These are the steps, guys. Follow them on, add them to your watch list, set your watch list to public, join their Telegram groups, follow these accounts on Twitter. Okay, then complete the task retweets. Okay, then lastly, we're going to complete the task and fill given forms. So I think you'll be needing either your Ethereum or you may needing your Binance matching wallet address for this particular job. So one of guys, kids, feel free to subscribe. Let us know in the comment section what you think about any of these, and we'll be there to assist. One love, guys. Peace out.